Rule of second and objection is a rule of agreement or disagreement with motion. Once motion is proposed, it needs to be seconded. Chair asks if there are seconds and then objection. If there is no objection, motion passes. If there is an objection, motion goes to the voting procedure.
Are there any other points or motions on the floor at this time?
Honorable Chairperson, motion to extend the debate time for 15 minutes.
Your motion is in order. Are there any seconds for this motion? Are there any objections for this motion? Seeing an objection, we'll have to vote on this motion. All those who are in favor of this motion, please raise your placards. All those who are against this motion, please raise your placards. Thank you.